This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a BOSCH dishwasher that isn't starting. If we push the door in really far with a lot of force and press start, then it does start. This may be due to something wrong with the latch. Here's the latch that comes. This one's from Amazon, comes pretty cheap, about $18. And there's a little magnet here on the side, this little piece we see on the right side that may be out of position. So to replace it, what we're going to do is make sure it's unplugged. We're going to take out these two screws at the bottom that are holding in the kick panel, and we're going to remove that little panel at the bottom. And then we're going to open the door and remove a couple of the screws that are holding it in at the top. Usually Phillips head screws. And we should pull it out just a little bit, probably about maybe 7-8 inches. That's about all you need. And here's the switch. We've taken off a metal cover that was being held in by 4 Torx 15 screws. And then we pulled up on the left. We took out one silver screw that was holding in the latch and pulled up on the left to take it out. And then you can just try this experiment. You can take the magnet and put it near the door, and you'll hear the I have to plug it back in, and press start, but you'll hear the dishwasher start. And it's kind of showing you how the magnet has to be in contact with this one part of the door. You can hear it start up to activate a switch inside the door to get it started. And maybe there's something that's keeping the door from closing all the way, that's preventing that magnet from touching that part of the door. I'm going to put the switch back in. So I put it in by going into this groove on the right first at about 45 degrees. Then I push down on the left to seat that magnet down there as close to the level as possible. Then I'm going to add that Torx 15 screw right in back by the magnet. And then I'll put that metal cover back on too, and then add the 4 screws that hold in the cover. But maybe this latch is a little loose, so the magnet is up too high and not sending a magnetic field to be able to activate the switch. So pushing the switch all the way down helps. If you notice, when I grab the door and pull it, we can hear the dishwasher start up. So there may be like a screw coming down from the top that's preventing the door from closing all the way. Could be the rubber gasket, something wrong with it, or there's something jamming it and not allowing it to go. Sometimes these doors can actually get bent, like if somebody falls down against the door, and then you have to bend the door back in so that that door can close a little further. And we can see it's working good again because we got it back in the right position. So hopefully this will help you to get your BOSCH dishwasher going again. You get that magnet to activate that switch. And again, usually it's just something is in the way, like a screw that you remove, and then it works. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.